Hey there, today we're going to look at how to create your book list in Titlewave. You will need to create one for this class because your final project will require you to pretend like you're spending $5,000 for a book order. So what you'll want to do is you'll want to start at titlewave.com. And since you've already set up your account, hopefully, you will now use that information by clicking Login. And your information would go here, username and password. Mine is there because I come back to this site frequently. Click Login. And now we're at your home screen. Here is where you will see all of your lists. I've created a couple for samples, as you can see, but in order to open a previously created list, all you do is highlight it or double click, but highlight it or click Open List. But we're going to create a new list. And you want to give it a name. Collection Development 2012. And in here we can say it was for summer 1. Or however you want to name this. It's just that I can't name it just Collection Development because I already had one named that. Then you want to click Save. Now we have a blank list. There are no books added. So what you're going to want to do is, you could of course be actually reading your review journals. School Library Journal, Booklist, Hornbook, Voya, and when you have a title, you can enter your title manually right here. So, like I have read Shatter Me recently and I really liked it. And so, let's click Shatter Me. And here it is. And so let's go make sure it has some positive reviews. You want to click on that I next to it and then scroll down where you have all of your information here. Publisher, synopsis, and here are reviews and awards. But if we look further down, it actually gives us some full text reviews. Booklist, Hornbook, and School Library Journal. What we need to do is make sure that they're positive before we can add it to the list. So let's see. There are plot conveniences and melodramatic writing to spare in this first novel, but it offers rip-roaring adventure and steamy romance scenes, along with a relationship that teens will root for as much as they did for Bella and Edward. Okay, so that sounds pretty good to me. The book ends with room for a sequel, but not a cliffhanger, so teens will feel satisfied, yet wait impatiently for more. Character development solid and realistic. So those are good things. So I would definitely say yes. I want to add this to my list. Now when you click here, truly I have to say I don't know what I do. I always add my books from this page because when I click want, I want to add to list. I never see an add to list from the other page I was just at. So now if I want to go view my current list, you'll see it says one item wanted. There's my current list with my one book that I have chosen. Now if I'm done looking through my review sources, I can also find them through Titlewave. I'll click Collection Development and click Books. No keywords because I'm looking for anything really that would match my two review requirement. I'm working on a YA list for a middle school or high school, so I want 5 through 8 or young adult. And other than that, my only other requirement is I need 2 reviews. So I want 2 right there, and I'm going to want it to choose from Booklist. And if you look here, it says if I want multiple items, hold down Control key for PC or Command key for Mac. So Booklist, now I'm going to hold down my Control key and I'm going to say I want also Hornbook, and Control key again for School Library Journal, and since this is definitely YA, I want also Voya. So those are my things that I want to look at, and I'm going to click Search Books. And now that's going to give me quite a selection. So now it's up to me to really say, okay, which of these books do I think are going to match what I want to put in my collection? So here's After the Snow. Click on my blue eye, scroll down from the publisher synopsis, And you'll see we wanted 2 reviews, and that definitely included a book with more full text reviews from those that I asked for. Booklist, Hornbook, School Library Journal. Okay, so that's how you go and choose books for your collection. Want, add to list. So now when I go to view my list, I have 2. So that's how you create a book list for your collection development class this semester. I suggest you get started building this list fast because the summer is going to go by super quick. So definitely don't save this till the end. Spending $5,000 takes maybe a little longer than you would think, especially if we're looking for positive reviews. All right, good luck and have fun. This is one of the best things I love about being a librarian, is looking at all the books and getting to choose what I want.